Hey everyone, today I'll be changing the engine oil and oil filter on the Honda Silverwing 400. Okay, so our tools for today, we'll be using a socket wrench with a 24mm socket. For engine oil, we have Putolin Astertech 4 Plus. These are 10W-40. I got these on offer on Shopee. They were going for 3 bottles for $20. I couldn't pass up on the opportunity. For oil filter, we have the High Flow Filtro. This is the HF204 variant, specifically I believe for Silverwing. And yeah, let's get started. Okay, so the first order of business is that we will have to remove the 24mm drain bolt from beneath the Silverwing. So it will be this bolt right here. And of course, the air filter is just located over here, which we will settle later. Right, so we are going to use our socket wrench with a 24mm socket to unscrew our drain bolt in an anti-clockwise direction. Once it's loose, we will proceed to unscrew the drain bolt by hand and let the engine oil drain it out. This should take a good 4 to 5 minutes before the engine oil finishes dripping. You'll notice that 3 items comes out from unscrewing the drain bolt. There's the drain bolt, the spring, and this thimble looking thing. Next, we'll proceed to remove the oil filter. Again, we are twisting this in an anti-clockwise direction. So here's our oil filter from the Silverwing. I'm going to back this up for disposal later. For the drain bolt assembly, I'll be wiping the used engine oil off with a clean cloth and spritzing it with brake cleaner. I personally do this as part of my housekeeping when servicing the Silverwing. Now that that's done, we'll be refitting the drain bolt assembly back onto the Silverwing. It may take some tries to balance all 3 components and fit it back into the hole, but once it's in, we are going to hand tighten it in a clockwise direction and use our socket wrench to tighten about a quarter of the way in. As for the oil filter, do ensure to dab the circumference of it with engine oil. Mine came already greased up, so I can just screw it in with no issues. Again, spritzing some brake cleaner and wiping any engine oil residue up as part of my housekeeping. Now, to fill up the engine, We are going to use the Putolin Astertech 4 Plus fully synthetic engine oil. I previously used Motu's 7100 engine oil. It's quite a well-known brand, but I found it to be quite expensive. Hopefully this engine oil performs just as well, if not better at a cheaper price. Anyway, we are pouring about 2.2 liters of engine oil here. According to the online sources, the websites that I visit for information on the Silverwing, the motorcycle takes about 2 liters without oil filter replacement and 2.2 liters with oil filter replacement. However, the engine oil amount may vary from vehicle to vehicle. I personally didn't account for the fact that my Silverwing was burning up engine oil, so I topped up another 300 milliliters after the video ended. So I think all in all, I used up 2.5 liters of engine oil here. Another mistake I did not show here was not measuring the engine oil level after letting the engine run. It's really important to ensure that you are not underfilling or overfilling the bike. Right, so once you've poured all the engine oil in, let's start the engine up and let it run for a good 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, so that's it for the engine oil and oil filter change on the Honda Silverwing 400. If you have found my videos to be informative, do give me a thumbs up, a like, and do subscribe. I'll catch you guys real soon. Bye!